Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can stop Chrome from opening automatically. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, click on the Windows icon at the bottom of the screen to access your device settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, navigate to the Accounts tab from the left side menu. Next, click on the Sign in Options feature. Here, you need to make sure that both of the options related to automatic sign-in are toggled off. This will help prevent Chrome from starting up automatically when you sign into your device. Now, close the Settings window and open the Chrome browser. Click on the three dots icon at the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. From here, select Settings. In the Chrome Settings menu, access the System tab from the left side menu. Make sure the first feature, which allows Chrome to continue running background apps when closed, is turned off. Lastly, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen and select Task Manager from the menu. In the Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Look for Chrome in the list of startup programs, right-click on it, and select Disable. So that's basically how you can stop Chrome from opening automatically. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.